If you do a peanut butter face mask, we will give you 1,000,000 likes. Let's go! Liquidy. Ew, why does it look like that? Add a peptide. Let's turn it on. Let's dump it in the mold. Let's try it. Oh my god. Alright guys, whatever the wheel lands on is what kind of face mask I'm gonna do. Foundation! Let's dump it into the mold. Now we let it sit, and I'll be back to try it. Whoa. Let's try it. Oh my gosh! If you do a Valentine's Day themed face mask, we will give you 2,000,000 likes. Let's go! I just built this giant spinning wheel, so I need you guys to go down to the comment section right now and leave me some face mask ideas for the next video. I lost my scissors! Let's dump it in the mold. Ooh. Now I'm gonna let it sit and then we're gonna try it. Let me get my hair out of the way. Let's try it. We can still save it. Make a coffee face mask and we will give you 1,000,000 likes. Run it. Okay, so instead of boiling water, I'm gonna be using coffee. So I'm just adding this to the fill line. Now I opened up this K-cup and I'm gonna empty the coffee grounds into the blender. Now I'm gonna add a collagen peptide. Let's turn it on. Somebody is very interested in what's going on here. It's been going for like 5 minutes, so I'm gonna stop it. And I'm gonna dump it into the mold. It looks awesome, so I'm gonna let it sit and then I'm gonna be back to try it. All right. Did somebody say eyeball face mask? Run it! Let's turn it on. Oh, look over here. Whoa, that's so weird. Now I'm just laying out some eyeballs. Perfect. Let's turn this off. Dump it in. I'm gonna let her cool and then we're gonna try it. Let's try it. Oh! Oh, the eyeballs fell out. Please do a gummy face mask. Let's go. I spilled it. Let's dump it in. I got some gummy bears. Let's throw these in. Turn it on. More gummies. All the gummies dissolved and now it looks like swamp water. Crystal. Oh, she's bubbly. Let's turn it off and dump her on. We're gonna let her dry and then we're gonna try it. It's done. How does it feel? Really cool. Can you make a marshmallow face mask? Let's go. Now I'm gonna tear up the marshmallows. Now I'm gonna throw this in. And dump in the water. It actually dissolved. Now we're gonna throw in a peptide. And turn it on. I'm throwing in some extra while it's blending. Now I'm gonna turn that off. And dump this into the mold. It looks really weird. I'm gonna let it sit and then we are gonna try it. Okay, let's try it. Oh my god, it actually worked! Ah! Can you make a glitter face mask? Yes, that I can do. I can do that. I'm gonna be using this edible glitter. I just moved into a new apartment and I'm literally opening every cabinet to look for the measuring cups. That's not it. Bingo! 6 feet tall and super strong. She's done. Purr. I have a few different glitter packets. Okay, let's dump her in here. Dump in some glitter. She's fizzy. Let's add some yellow. Oh, wow. And one more for good measure. Drop in the peptide. Turn her on. This is so satisfying. Let's dump it in. She's so quirky. Let's do it. Oh my. Do a chia seeds and aloe vera face mask. Let's go. I have no idea how to cut this. It literally smells like canned chicken soup. The reveal. Oh, I'm just gonna scrape some out and add it to the blender. Now I'm gonna add our water and start mixing it. Now I'm gonna drop in some chia seeds and add a peptide. Now let's dump this into the mold. Now let's let it cool off and then I'll try it. Let's try it. Oh my gosh, feels good. Can you do a slime face mask? Like this video right now to give me good luck. I think I'm gonna mix this Nickelodeon slime with this Goofy slime. This one is really like liquid and this one's a lot more solid. Okay, let's dump in some gooey slime. Then we're gonna put in some of this slime. Now we're mixing those together. Warning, keep away from heat. Let's put it in the microwave. Now we're gonna dump it into the blender. Attempt to turn that on. Now we're gonna dump it into the mold. Now I'm just patting that in so it fills up the whole mold while leaving like the eyes open. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna let it sit, and then we're gonna try it on my face. I just put it in the fridge. Let's try it. Oh my gosh. Please make a rose petal face mask and we will give you 2 million. Run it. We're just gonna dump this into the mold. Now I'm gonna pull off some of these rose petals to throw in. Now that I got them all off, we're gonna add them in. Now we're gonna add in our peptide. Now I'm gonna put some of the extra petals into the mold. Okay, this is what we're looking like now. And it is time to turn this off and dump it in. Now I'm gonna let it set in the fridge and we'll be back to try it. Let's try it. Okay, it actually worked, but it's like sliding off my face. Thanks for watching.